Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to get macOS Sequoia on a supported Mac. So if it's unsupported, it's most likely that you have an old Intel machine that is running, yes, an Intel chip. So you're not using a M chip series anymore. So basically it's too slow to actually support it, but if you persist on doing so, we have a solution for that. So here we have our actual thing that you're going to use. So you're going to use Open Core Legacy Patcher. It's a patcher that will actually allow you to actually install macOS Sequoia on your machine. So first thing you'll have to do is you'll have to download the Sequoia files into a bootable USB and then install the Open Legacy Patcher basically, and then running the macOS 15, and then it's just done. So I will leave a link right here for the macOS Open Core Legacy Patcher. So I'll leave this in the description so you can use it. So of course you'll just have to download the macOS file and then put it in a drive and then just boot it into your actual machine and then recovery mode, and then you're all good to go. Once you open your macOS patcher, your actual Open Core Legacy patcher, you'll be able to install macOS 15 as easy as it is. It's just that simple.